Welcome to the Nebraska Budget Information Portal. The Nebraska Budget Division brings you an inside look into the state government revenues, appropriations, and expenditures. Are you curious about how much money was spent on Medicaid? Would you like to see the percentage appropriated to the state penitentiary? Federal funds? General funds? Revolving funds? Agriculture, education, law enforcement? These are only a few topics you can investigate, and I'll show you how. It's important to remember a few dates while you navigate the Budget Information Portal. The fiscal year starts in July and runs to June of each year. Revenues and expenditures will go from July to the current month. Appropriations are funds that are allocated to agencies at the beginning of the fiscal year, so these will show from July to June. The revenues and the expenditures are updated on a monthly basis. Let's explore these areas and the charts, which will tell you more. The navigation at the top of the page has additional information. Learn More explains the areas of the portal, the vocabulary, and their definitions. The Help and How-To area explains the use of the chart icons and terms for both simple and advanced charts. The checkbox at the bottom, once selected, prevents it from opening repeatedly. Let's look at an advanced chart. What if you want to know what percentage of state appropriations were directed to the state penitentiary from the general funds from 2012 to 2016? What was appropriated? From the fiscal years, from the general fund, in the area of law enforcement, public safety, in the agency of corrections. If the functional area is not known, the agency could be selected. Let's take a look at the programs. To compare year over year, let's choose a different kind of graph. Let's try the line, removing labels and legends to see a little more clearer. Hover over the lines. State penitentiary. Here's the amount of money that was paid in 2011-2012 fiscal year compared to 2015-2016. Once you have the graph you want, you can share it on social media or email. You can view it as a table in another browser window and can be exported as a CSV. There's also a printer-friendly version, which is also sortable. Let's run through an example using a simple chart. What if you want to know how much of the 2015-2016 fiscal year general funds were spent on Medicaid? First, go to Expenditures. Choose the year. Highlight and select the general fund. See how it has separated itself? Select the drill down button to find the functional areas. It funnels to the next level of information, which is the functional areas. Let's remove areas not related to Medicaid. Agriculture, law enforcement, and drill down to the agency level. Highlight and select Health and Human Services for further drill down to the program level. See Medicaid, we can hover over it to see the amount appropriated from the general funds to Medicaid in the fiscal year of 2015-2016. The blue strand at the top shows us how we got there. Other graph options do exist and can be explored. That concludes our tour of the Nebraska Budget Information Portal. If you have any questions, Our customer service agents are here to help you.